Hello dear viewers, hope you all are doing well. In our last video, we discussed about how to tackle anxiety. If you have not seen our last video, then you can click the I button and go through our last video. The link is also available in description box. Today we will try to understand what exactly is crystal healing. Now let's move ahead and try to find answers to this very important and interesting question related to our life. Hello, my name is Gurpreet Arora and I'll be your host for today. I welcome you all to our channel Make Me Pure International. Today we are going to discuss a very unique topic, what exactly is crystal healing. But before we begin, please make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, press the bell button right next to it and share the video with your friends. Now let's come back to our topic, what exactly is crystal healing. Now before we begin, I must say crystals are different combinations of minerals that help purify, balance and realign by working with our biological systems. Crystals are said to have a steady and perpetual energy design, each with an extraordinary recurrence and energy field or resonance that gives them exceptional properties. Thus, they carry on like turning forks, bringing harmony to the truly unsound energy field of the human body. Putting simply, crystal healing includes utilizing gemstones to carry equilibrium to an individual's life and psyche. Now the question comes, how crystal healing actually works and how it's used. Now I want to talk about why you would want to work with crystals and how crystal healing actually works. Crystals are basically energy. Now everything is ultimate energy, and so knowingly that if there's something that you want to experience in your life, for example, if you want to maybe experience more abundance, if you want to experience love or manifestation, or maybe just more courage, more vitality in your life, all of those things and more are ultimate energies. Now let's also talk about bringing courage to our life. When you read a book, maybe if you have ever read a really good book that just inspired you or awoken something within you, what actually happened? Well, now the book is information, and as an energetic being, you took that information and converted it into some kind of energy that you then transfer to thousands in your life. Now crystals basically do the same thing, except they skip that whole step of translating it in words. So if everything is energy, I can pick up a stone, this giant piece of crystal, and the energy that it holds, I connect that energy, I can feel my will activating. This is one of the properties of the crystal. It has got this feeling of action, feeling of willpower, feeling of empowerment, and so on. Anything you want to experience, any energy you want to add into your life, there is some kind of crystal for that. There are, hundreds and maybe thousands of different crystals, different minerals. Each one has a very unique vibration, and as you learn to connect to those, they are awakening something within you. They are connecting to that seed of that potential that's within you, and so literally anything you want to experience, you can find a crystal to bring that out in you. Now that's the more positive side of working with crystal. That's kind of the activation aspect if I want you to know more about experiencing more love in your life. I can even get a little piece of rose quartz and really connect with it, loving experience or loving presence within myself. But why is it that we are not always experiencing ourselves as love, or why do we not always have that courage that will activate? And when you really begin to study the energetic body, what you discover is that there are blocks that are actually energetic blocks. And this is clear and open space if you struggle with shyness. You were not born shy. The shyness is something that you added on later in life. So whatever kind of quality or energy or way of being or even circumstances in life that you are struggling with or that you feel trapped in, just like everything is energy, those ultimately have some kind of energy-based reality to them. Just like in the physical world, if you have a physical illness, there are countermeasures you take to deal with that illness. There's maybe a medicine that will neutralize that or cause the body to purge it out. The same thing happens when we deal with crystals. There are energetic blocks within us. If we find the right frequency or the right counter frequency, whatever block we have got in a space, there's an energy from a crystal that can go in and neutralize that energy and bring us into a state of healing, which can bring a transformation in our lives. So crystal healing is a way of going within, finding those blocks and getting rid of those unwanted energy blocks. Whether it's through neutralization or maybe you have got a stone that goes in and helps you just release negativity, which helps you to purify whatever is being in your space and that's been holding you back for a long time, just like in the physical world. Everything's got some kind of counterpart or some kind of antidote or way to neutralize it. Same thing happens energetically. Anything in your consciousness, anything in your reality has a basis in energy, and every energy has some kind of other energy that can transform that. So in that way of looking at crystals as energies, you can find a crystal to just impact any part of your life that you want. So that's kind of a high level overview of what crystal healing actually is. What's going on when you can connect to a stone or work with a stone, or if someone is doing a crystal healing on you, anything in your consciousness, anything in your life, any block you are dealing with, there is a solution, there's an energy, there is a crystal that can help you and can attain absolutely anything to you. For crystal healing courses and services, call us on the given numbers. Alternatively, go on to www.makesmepure.com to get help with anxiety, depression, or even to know the answers behind your current life. I hope you all enjoyed this informative video. Don't forget to show your love to our YouTube channel by liking, sharing, commenting and subscribing. See you all in our next video. Stay happy, stay blessed, stay safe. Have a nice day ahead. Take care. Goodbye.